Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix assistive touch is off to confirm with Face ID. Turn on assistive touch in setting after iOS 14. So without wasting our time, let's get started. To solve this issue, firstly you will have to go to the settings app. On the settings menu, scroll down to see accessibility and tap on it. Now scroll down to see touch and tap on it. Here tap on assistive touch at the top of the page. Now completely scroll down and toggle off confirm with assistive touch. Tap use double click. Now you go to the App Store and you can check while purchasing any app from the App Store or downloading the free app, you will not see confirm with assistive touch. That's it. So guys, if this method doesn't work, move on to the next method. Method 2 is use assistive touch to purchase apps. To do this, click on assistive touch, then click device. Now click on more, then click pay. Now click confirm pay. That's it. So guys, like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.